my bolt out of there. Maybe, you know, it's got a little color to it or something. Alright, now let's oh, that didn't help none. Huh? Yeah, I can't. The jack is in the way. Oh well. Let's take that out here. Not much came out of here. Right now, let's go up here to the top. Just that simple.